Alright, Crimson Killer here with another Lego gun. This is my custom sniper rifle. This is a really heavy rifle I made. It's based off most modern sniper rifles today. Like, I'm pretty sure it's the Remington 223 caliber and maybe an AWSM Spec Ops sniper rifle. And it has a couple attachments you can put on it that I made, like a silencer and a low power scope with sights on the top. This rifle, I would say, probably shoots a 30-06 caliber bullet from the look of the length of the shell ejection port and the magazine. And it also has a cheek rest. And it also has a working trigger and a bolt. That opens up the shell ejection port when you close it and open it. This is what the sights look like when I aim down them. But this is really fucking hard with a fucking iPod. Okay, those are the sights. This is the silencer. When I take the sights off and put the scope on, it looks like this. Those are the top sights. And if I put a shell on the side of it, I could pop it out with the bolt. This is a 223 Remington shell. Okay, I should put my gun here. It's not that good of a mechanism, but I didn't intend it to be for that, but I tried it and it worked. And that was my custom Lego sniper rifle.